Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Francisca Valdez, and if this face is new to you, that's because you are not subscribed to my channel. So click that subscribe button so you can see more videos with me included. And you guys obviously click this video because you are experiencing dry hair, and I'm about to tell you about an oil that you guys are gonna end up loving. So the oil that I'm talking about is jojoba oil. It's spelled J-O, so some people say JoJo. Anyway, so the benefits of jojoba oil is its composition is very similar to sebum, which is what's in your hair to make your scalp and your hair moisturize. So your scalp and your hair really likes it and it'll absorb it very well. It's also really good for dandruff and it helps with the frizz. It also adds shine to your hair. And you would think that jojoba oil would make your hair like oily, but it doesn't really have that effect because it regulates the natural oils that you have on your scalp. Jojoba oil is really good to add to your favorite leave-in conditioner because it has all those benefits, and it also, like I said, helps your hair be more smooth. And because it's antifungal, it helps killing bacteria and fungal infections, which is usually why your hair has buildup. You can have buildup from a lot of things, but if you have like a dry or itchy scalp, it can be because of bacterial or fungal infections. So it helps with that, which is really good because that also promotes hair growth because you're getting rid of all that gunk on your scalp. And jojoba oil promotes curl elasticity. Oh goodness. And it's great to put in before you jump into a pool because when you get into the pool, it has all those stripping chemicals. So it's really helpful if you add that to your hair before you jump in the pool. And my final benefit from jojoba oil is the fact that it helps you keep the color that's in your hair. So if you have a dye or bleach or whatever you have in your hair, it helps keep it in your hair instead of stripping it from your hair. So that's really good. All right, so I hope you guys will go out and buy some jojoba oil and use it for your benefit and help your dry hair. Thanks guys for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye guys.